A lot of people assume that Liberty is a motor insurance company first and health insurer second. And that's exactly why Liberty Health Connect often flies under the radar. But when you actually open the policy wording, this plan is far more comprehensive than most people expect it to be, especially in its higher variants. So folks, in this video, we're doing a clean breakdown of Liberty Health Connect health insurance plan, what it offers across its variants, where it genuinely stands out, and where the fine print still matters. Hello folks, I'm Shashank, you're watching Ditto Insurance. At Ditto, we help you compare health and term insurance plans with honest advice, no spam and no forceful selling. Our IDEA certified advisors support you from application to claims completely free. If you want help understanding whether this plan fits your needs, there's a link in the description to book a free call. Alright, let's start with Liberty Health Connect. Now, this is Liberty's flagship comprehensive health insurance plan, and this is available in 5 variants: eConnect, Basic, Elite, Supreme and Supreme Plus. The core structure remains the same, but the depth of coverage changes significantly as you move up the variants. Entry age for adults starts at 18 years and goes up to 65 years with lifelong renewability. Children can be added from 91 days, and once they turn 26, they're offered an individual plan with continuity benefits carried forward. Let's start with the basic policy structure, because this is where Liberty does something very rare. Now, there are no room rent restrictions across Health Connect variants. Any room is allowed, which automatically eliminates proportionate deductions. This is one of the biggest causes of out-of-pocket expenses. Now, there are also no disease-wise sublimits, which is actually a big plus if you ask me. Pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization coverage improves as you move up the variants. Lower variants start with 30 days pre and 60 days post, while Supreme and Supreme Plus go up to 90 to 180 days depending on the sum insured. Daycare treatments, modern treatments, Ayush and organ donor expenses again are all covered, generally up to sum insured. Domiciliary hospitalization exists but is limited. In lower sum insured, it's capped at 10% of the sum insured, while higher variants goes up to 20%. Now, this is one of the plan's known limitations and something to keep in mind if home-based treatment is a concern. But if you ask us, this is not a deal breaker. Now, let's talk about bonus and restoration, because Liberty gives you choices here. For claim-free years, you can either opt for a 10% cumulative bonus per year up to 100% of the base sum insured, or you can choose a renewal premium discount instead. Yes, you get the option. Restoration is available in higher variants, typically restoring 100% of the sum insured once per year, usually for unrelated illnesses. In Supreme Plus, restoration can even apply for the same illness, which is rare at this price point. Health checkups are included irrespective of claims. Lower variants offer checkups once every 2 years, while higher variants offer annual cashless checkups at designated diagnostic centers. Hospital daily cash, ambulance cover, second medical opinion, even recovery benefits and also nursing allowance are also layered as you move up the variants, especially in Supreme and Supreme Plus. Waiting periods are fairly standard. You have the 30-day initial waiting period, 1 to 2 years for specific illness waiting period, and 3 years for obesity-related surgery, which is quite specific, and 3 years for pre-existing diseases. Now, this is where optional covers become important. Liberty does offer several optional covers that materially improve this plan. There's zero deduct cover, which removes minor deductibles. Non-medical expense cover helps reduce consumables related out-of-pocket costs. Vector-borne disease benefit provides fixed payouts for illness like dengue and malaria. Super Booster increases the sum insured significantly for claim-free years. EMI Protector is a unique feature where the insurer covers EMI if an insured is diagnosed with a terminal illness or is under end-of-life care. There's also a PED Protector that reduces waiting period for diabetes and hypertension, and global cover for emergency treatment outside India in higher variants. The premiums for Liberty Health Connect are on your screen. Pause and take a look. Now, if this is starting to feel complex, that's expected. Liberty Health Connect is not a buy and forget plan. The configuration matters a lot here. And if you feel unsure about which variant or which add-ons make sense, this is a good time to pause and book that free call that I told you about, so that you don't end up being underinsured despite choosing a comprehensive plan. The link is in the description. Now, who is this plan actually for? Liberty Health Connect works well for people who want strong base coverage without room rent limits, especially families in metro cities. Supreme and Supreme Plus variants make the most sense because that's where restoration, better domiciliary limits, and global cover come together. Now, the plan may not be ideal if unmet domiciliary care or multi-time restoration is a priority, but as a balanced comprehensive policy, it holds up well. To wrap up, Liberty Health Connect is quite a solid feature-rich comprehensive plan that improves meaningfully as you move up the variants. It might not be the cheapest, it might not be the flashiest, but configured correctly, it can significantly reduce claim time surprises. Now, if you want help comparing Liberty Health Connect with other comprehensive plans or figuring out the right variant and add-ons, you can book a free call using the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.